Assalamu alaikum everyone. From today I am going to start this playlist where I am going to solve project Euler questions from free code camp. So if you are a beginner or if you want to start solving project Euler problems using JavaScript from free code camp, then this is the right place for you. All right. So as today's the first video for this playlist, so I will be starting the first problem obviously. So Project Euler, complete the programming challenges below from the massive Project Euler archives. These will harden your algorithm and mathematics knowledge. These problems range in difficulty, and for many, the experience is inductive chain learning. That is, by solving one problem, it will expose you to a new concept that allows you to undertake a previously inaccessible problem. Can you finish them all? All right, let's try. So Project Euler problems 1 to 100, most probably they are beginner friendly problems. They should be, because they are in the front rows, right? So in this first set of challenges, we will use mathematical concepts like the Fibonacci sequence, prime number theory, and combinatorics to write efficient algorithms to solve these problems. So the first problem is multiples of 3 and 5. As you can see, I have already solved this problem, but doesn't matter because I'm gonna solve it for you anyway. So let's start. This is the question. All right, let me simply zoom in for you. I guess this is all right. Okay, so if we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. All right, let me understand what they actually want to state here. All right, so natural number. All right, natural number means common number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like this. So positive number, obviously we are considering it right now. So natural number below 10, that means if I consider the natural numbers below 10, then those should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, not reaching 10 but till 10, or you can say before 10, right? 9 is the last number before 10. So if we list all the natural numbers below 10, but they are multiples of 3 or 5. So multiple of 3 would be 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12. 12 is exceeding 10, so we are not considering 12. So if we think about all the natural numbers that are multiples of 3, those and below 10, those should be 3 and 6. All right. And let's come for 5. Natural numbers that are multiples of 5 should be 5, 10, 15, 20, like this. But as we are considering below 10, then the value should be only 5, not even 10, because we can't consider 10. We have to consider the numbers that are below 10. All right. And now if we consider 3 or 5, not 3 and 5, 3 or 5, then the value should be 3, 5, 6, 9. All right. It makes sense, right? For example, 3 is the multiple of 3, 6 is also the multiple of 3, 9 is also a multiple of 3, and 5 is also a multiple of 5. As we are considering the odd segment, so this actually makes sense. Now the sum of these multiples is 23. Let me calculate. 3 and 5, 8, 8 and 9, 17, 17 and 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, this makes sense. So what I need to do right now, find the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 below the provided parameter value number. So this is my function. The function name is function multiples of 3 and 5. Here the parameter is number, so I have to calculate based on this number, and I need to return something. And here multiples of 3 and 5, they have provided me 1000 as the argument. All right. So all right, I can use while loop, or I can also use for loop. For example, let me use for loop. So for let I am going to calculate in the descending order. So for that reason, I will start calculating from number, but the initial value should be number minus 1. Why is that? Because we can't calculate the number itself. We have to calculate number below of that. All right, so number minus 1 makes sense. And it should continue until it reaches 3 or 5. 3 is less than 5, so 3 makes sense. And in each time, I want it to decrement 1 by 1. All right. And now I have to check the condition. If I is divided by 3 or I is divided by 5, only then what we are gonna do, we are going to add that value in our sum variable. That's it. And I have to initialize the value for sum, but let's see whether it works or not. But I have to make sure that I am returning the value of sum. Let's check it out. Okay, so I have to declare sum and the initial value should be 0, because if nothing found, then the default sum should be 0, right? Voila, it worked. So thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you want to follow me, you can do that obviously using GitHub, GitLab, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'll provide all of the link in this video's description box. So thank you everyone, and I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.